Hi, how are you?
Very, very good.
How's the NILF 2016 going so far? I know it's only day one, but how's it going for you so far?
Well, 2016 has been really exciting on several fronts. We all heard the great news of net neutrality and how finally India has a neutral network, which was exciting. Personally at GOQii, we started the year with massive amount of activities. Many companies are now adopting GOQii for a fit lifestyle. We also have several programs rolling out in other countries. US is launching, China is launching, the wearable space has taken off. So overall, I must say that it has been already a very, very exciting start for 2016.
All right. What are you looking forward to over the 3 days? What are the sessions you're looking most forward to? What are you looking forward to seeing or hearing, or what conversations are you looking forward to participating in?
I think Nasscom, the event has really transformed from being a discussion about leadership to really about innovation and disruption. There are talks around wearables, payment, lifestyle, banking, e-commerce. I think every company is now looking at how can they disrupt all these industries. We are also talking a lot about India as a market itself, because traditionally the discussion was always around software exports and things like that, but today the discussion is not around that. Today India is itself a big market, and a lot of the companies are not only focused on creating innovation but making sure the innovation is targeted in India. I was very excited to see the winners of the Nasscom Innovation Challenge as well as the social good. There are companies, there are startups being featured every day. This is not what used to happen in the past. So I'm personally very excited.
I definitely want to talk to you about startups, but before that, you mentioned disruption. If I could ask you to sum it all up in a sentence or in a word, what does disruption mean to you?
Disruption means changing the status quo. And we are going to soon see people having no bank account to having wallets. So it's a very exciting time to be here.
I want you to treat this next question like a multiple choice, and of course, you're the right person to ask. When it comes to a startup, what's more important, the idea or the leadership behind it?
I would say leadership clearly. Ideas are damn a dozen, but it is the leader who can execute these ideas which is more important.
All right. If I asked you for one word prediction about 2016, what would it be technologically or in the digital space or the startup space? If I could ask you for one word prediction.
I would say the one word prediction for 2016 is going to be Startup India.
And NILF 2016 in one word for you, sirs.
NILF 2016 in one word is all about leapfrogging. I think everybody's talking about how do you leapfrog. Nobody's talking about incremental growth. Everybody wants to leapfrog.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us. Just one last thing now before we go, and this is the robots question, not mine. We're going to be talking about automation a lot over the next 3 days. When do you think robots, and you're being interviewed by a robot right now, when do you think robots will take over the world, sir? Do you have a date on that?
Well, Elon Musk has already talked about how AI is going to be the danger to humanity. But all I can tell you is that even now, a printer cannot connect to a computer. So AI is a little bit away from doing that. But I think it's going to be an exciting time on how man and machine can collaborate. I think the future of AI and robotics and augmented reality is a combination of man and human, and not both of them working in isolation.
Right. I think, sir, this robot definitely agrees with you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you.